What's up? Welcome back. My name is Kayla, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about new hearing aids that I have. So I got the Oticon Safari hearing aids, what they look like. I received them when I was like 10, 12, and I'm 25. So they're really old, and hearing aids have improved with technology. They are now adaptable to your phone, and so I wanted to show you guys this new product. This is what it looks like. If you order it, you'll get it in a box, and when you open it, it says welcome to your new hearing aid, and it is available to connect on your phone through the App Store and Google Play. You just have to scan the QR code, which is fun, and then it actually helps you hear better within 3 weeks, which is amazing for those who, have hearing loss and really need hearing aids to help them. This is the box that it comes in, and it has both of them. You could charge them in your case, which is crazy because mine comes with batteries, my old ones, and it does not have a battery. And batteries are so expensive, and no one wants that. And they die really quickly, and then you hear the sound while you're trying to talk to someone that the battery is dying, and whatever, it's a mess. So I'll take one out and show you guys what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. You can turn the volume up. It's kind of like just a regular one. And the ear mold it does come with, hold on, let me show you. It comes with multiple types of stuff, and it will give you a quick start guide. So instead of me explaining it, you guys can actually do it and read it yourself. So it'll come with a USB to charge and just tools and different ear domes. So if this one's too big or too small, or you need to switch it out, you'll definitely have that luxury of being able to do that, which is amazing because my old ones don't have that, and my ears ended up growing, and just having to shift it and change it all the time is a mess. So here's all the ones that it comes with, and you can change it out. I have really small ears, so a smaller one is definitely beneficial for me. I don't know why my ears are so small. Are your ears small, or are they big, or are they normal size? Anyway, so then it also, sorry, I have to put this down, hold on. It also comes with a free audiologist guidance on how to use it and how to wear hearing aids, which is also great, and it comes at a really low price. Mine were so expensive, like a couple $1,000, and it comes at, I think the first pair, limited time, is $359, which is really affordable, and it's great for those who are just experiencing hearing aids for the first time and need some help, but don't want to pay for an audiologist and other types of hearing aids. And sorry, I'm trying to find, okay, here's the case. I lost it, sorry. And it also helps show you how to fit it to your ear, left and right, and yeah. So I'm gonna put all of this information down in the description, and tell me if you enjoy it or not.